How to install CSpring sensor clips. Attach the new sensor clips. Peel off the adhesive backing from the new CSpring sensor clips. Align the clips in their correct positions. S2 clip. The clip tab should be at the bottom, with the top edge of the clip aligned with the water chamber lip. S1 clip. The clip tab should be at the top, also lining up with the water chamber lip. Press each clip firmly to ensure they are securely attached. Install the sensors. Carefully insert the sensor probes into the attached clips, ensuring a snug fit. Place the clip covers over the clips. They should click securely into place. Your new CSpring sensor clips are now properly installed, and your water chamber is ready for use.